It's time to start my seeds. So I went with the Burpee seed starting tray, as this is a great tray, and I went with their soil. Let me show you how incredible this set is. Now the seed starting tray is brilliantly designed and is totally reusable, so you can keep this for many years to come. It looks just like a simple tray, and it has tiny little compartments for all of the plants. But what makes it so cool is that this whole thing pops out, and each of these is actually a little silicone mold. So it'll be really easy to pop out your plant when you're ready and not destroy the tray in the process. It's really meant to be used over and over again. And then what's really cool about it is that it has this bottom tray that not only will collect any excess water so you don't make a mess, but can also act as a watering tray. So you can leave water in here, and if it's high enough, it will actually touch the bottom of the plants and water them. Now, of course, that really depends on what seeds you have and how much water they need, so pay attention to that, but this gives you that control, whether you're just using this to collect excess water out of reach, or if you're using it as a water reservoir. And another really cool feature is that it's actually labeled. You have the columns counted in numbers, and you have the rows by letters, so you can keep track of exactly what seed you put in which space, no problem. And on top of that, the label actually has the seed plantogram on the back side. So if you don't want to create your own sheet, it has it set up for you so you can track exactly what's in each of these 36 individual squares. This gives you so much opportunity to plant so much and have full control over knowing what you planted where and when you need to pop it out of this and plant it in the ground. And of course I had to go with Burpee's seed starting mix. This is coconut coir, and what I love about it is that it does come in this concentrated small size package that's really quite light, and then when you add water to it, it's going to expand and turn into the dirt you want. And what's so nice about that is whether you're getting this small little bit or a large bag that already has all the moisture added and is a heavier dirt, it's going to be shipped. It's either being shipped to a store or being shipped to you directly, and all that shipping adds up. So I love that this is small, easier to ship, fits in a tiny package. I also love that it is fully certified and is what I want. It is great for my garden. It is great for the world. And to use it is very simple. It just takes 2 minutes with 4.5 quarts of warm water for it to expand and turn into all the dirt you need. So with some seeds and a bucket, I am ready to go. The Burpee Seed Starter Kit.